Are you still building? Are you still building that set that's for 18-year-olds?
Yeah.
When you're
9.
9 years old and it's your birthday and you were 8 yesterday?
Yeah.
I wonder how many pieces are in this set. Let me take a look. Yeah, there's 1,379 pieces. And it's set 42126. Recommended for 18 and up. And it's some type of pickup truck in orange. Some type of pickup truck.
Oh, Daddy.
A popular pickup truck in North America.
Okay, now I see it. This is going to be like, it's going to connect to the rest of the car, and this can go bouncing up and down with the shocks.
Oh. I'm looking forward to seeing how these shocks work. So what step number are you on now?
25.
25. Holy smokes.
25. Let's do it on the other side. Wait, what?
See, you've got all your pieces organized into little jars.
Yeah.
That probably makes it easier if they all got mixed together.
What?
I think that probably makes building this easier than if they got all mixed together.
Dad, look, Daddy, here's the wheel part that's actually going to bounce.
Oh, wow. Now, take a look at these instructions. Samuel, right here. Is there something about these things facing a certain direction?
I know.
Did you get that all right?
Yeah, see it? Wait, yeah. See it's on the side. Here, facing down.
Okay, you got it
Yeah,
right.
it's past that step.
You're way past that step.
I'm here.
You're in step 27 now. Building faster than a speeding light bulb. Wait, light bulbs don't speed. What's that fancy, funny part you're holding?
It's a wheel piece. So wheel goes on here, and then it's a really strong connection. And I also knew it.
Does it spin really well?
Yes, and these two pieces are going to connect here to go down, to bounce down with its shockiness. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now. I can't find another piece. There.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Wait, I got you breakfast in bed, but you're not in bed. So it's breakfast for on the table, but you're not even sitting in a chair. You're actually on the table. Guess what I brought you for breakfast?
Croissant.
All right. Are you ready to stop and eat, or do you need to keep building for?
I just want to find the pieces and then stop.
Oh wow. Let's take a look at what you've got now. So where does this wheel go?
So this is going to be bouncing like this. And then also this is going to move side to side with the piece that's going to go through here.
Oh. Oh, I see. And you can tell that because of this little gray bump here. There's going to be something connecting. And this spins. Oh, it spins really well.
It's a bit squeaky. It's a pretty strong connection, Daddy.